How to fix Java exception has occurred problem. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open java.com on any browser. After you've opened Java, simply click on Download Java for desktop. After you've done that, simply click on Download Java again. After you've downloaded, simply install it on your device. After it's all done, simply open the file that occurred problem with Java, and you won't have problem anymore after you have downloaded the latest version of Java. This is how to fix Java exception has occurred problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.